over here you can see that I have a footage with color correction applied to it. But let's say what I want is I only want to copy out certain attributes. Let's say, for example, the high dynamic range attributes that I applied onto this particular footage to other footages. In that case, what I can do is I can use an option called paste attributes. So to do that, I can go around over here and I can go around onto edit and copy this out. So I can go around onto the other footage right here, then I can go to edit and click on paste attributes. So once I do that, you can choose what you want to paste right here. So I just want to paste out the SDR attributes on the color correction right here. So I can select that out right here and press apply. So once I do that, you can see that that particular attribute is pasted out, but the other color correction nodes are not there. So that is how you can go around and paste around certain attributes only. So another thing that you can do is you can copy around only one node to other footages as well. So instead of copying out all the 4 nodes for color correction. So to do that, I'm going to right click over here and click on grab still, and you can see that the still is here. So you can go around over here onto the footage where you want to apply out this particular color correction right here, just like this. And then you can go around over here and right click on this particular still image, and you can go around and display the node graph. So once you do that, you can choose the node graph that you want from one of those 4 nodes, as you can see right here. Click and drag it out over here onto the main node graph that you see right here. So you can go around and just bring it in over here, and there you go. You can see that only this color correction now is applied over here. You can do it with other nodes that you see over here as well. And that is how you can go around and copy only one node or certain nodes inside of other footages as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.